Hello and welcome to this very brief, hopefully, video tutorial being done for a friend who wanted to know how to make a post at WordPress with multiple images side by side. If I understood his question correctly, I know how to do this, so I'm going to show you how to do it now. So I've gone over here to my blog at Bliss Writer, and I've gone over here now to the new post icon, and I've clicked on that. And now I'm not going to add a title or any of this. Well, maybe I will. We'll do a test. I can always delete it when we're done. The important part is over here. You got to scroll down and you get to Advanced Settings. And in Advanced Settings, you will find a Post Format drop-down box. If you click on the arrow, you can now pick an image type post. I don't know if you have to do this. We'll test it with standard first just to see. So I'm going to have it on visual, and I'm going to have it on add media, and we'll test it first to see if you can do it with standard, and then we'll do the other. So click on something and insert it into post. If you don't have any images here, go to upload files and upload the files you want to post side by side and go from there. So I'm just going to go with what I have in my library, so we'll insert this into the post. And I'm going to click here off to the side. So my cursor is over here somewhere. So now I'm going to add another media, and I'm going to click on this. Okay, so you can do it with a standard post. So it's not necessary to select image. Let's see what test looks like here as a standard post. So we'll publish that, and I'm going to right click and open in a new tab. So we have the images right next to each other, and this is a standard post format. Alright, now this should stay the same even if I change things over here, because I didn't refresh it. So I'm going to go down here to image, and now we're going to do this an update, because now we're going to see this as a post type of image. I want to see if there's any difference between the two. So this is our post type of image. Okay. I'm seeing a couple of different things here. As a post type of image, we just have an image. We don't have a title, we don't have a date, we don't have an editing button, we don't have any of that stuff. We just have the images. So that's what this effect will have on it. So we don't want to use post type of image unless all we're going to post is an image. If you want to have a title or you want to have text around what you've posted, you're going to need to have more than just that. You'll have to play with these and see what the different kinds accomplish for you. I'm going to close these out. I'm going to go back to standard, and I want to see if I can add yet another image to this, just to kind of push this and see how far we can take it. So I'll pick this, and it looks as if you can just keep putting stuff in here. So I'm going to add another one just to see. Now we'll try this. Okay, now did this go down? Okay, so it's only going to go to the size of your screen. It went down to the next row for me now. Now we're going to try to add some text. Oh, that's not where we want the text to be. So I've used the down arrow and then I pressed enter. Okay, so we can add text before. Can we add text in between? So I'm clicking here off to the side. I've got a little flashing cursor, pressing enter. Okay, we can put text in between. Now what about here on top? How hard is it to get text up there? Okay. So getting text on top does not look like it's going to be very easy. That's a resize box. So if you click on these resize boxes, you can resize your image. That's interesting. It doesn't go up like you'd expect. If you go too far, it goes down to the next one. So let's see, can we get it to come back now? No. Can we move it? Okay, you can click and drag and move an image, it looks like. But it doesn't appear as if it wants to. Oh, okay, it'll automatically go back. Okay. So I don't know how we're going to get to do any sort of I can't find a way to do any text beforehand. But that shows you how to get them into a line. Like whoa. Highlighted everything on here. And if we go here to HTML, we can see a little bit more about stuff going on. So we have here our image. And this is our URL information. So we can control things in here a little bit. We can resize the image. We can add our text before or after. If I do this, I might be able to add the text this way. Yeah, and that adds it to the top. So go into the HTML to add text a little easier before or after your images. And I guess that's it. Hopefully this is what he was asking for, and I'm going to send this link to YouTube and send him a link to it. I think somebody just liked this post, which I don't know why they would, but that's just funny. Okay, so I'm going to delete that post. And after that, we're going to go from there. Gotta see if I can get this thing going. I haven't used this tool in a while, so. Okay. So I will see you on YouTube, and hopefully this answered your question, and if it didn't, you can put a comment on there and give me more information, and I'll do another video. Okay, F, Shift, Control, F.